Hello everyone, welcome to Java Sessions. Today I'll be showing you all how to set up your laptop for JDK 8. So today we won't be writing any Java code. I'll just be showing you how to get your laptop ready to develop in Java. And in order to do that, you don't actually need to do much. You just need to download the Java development kit. In order to download the Java development kit, just visit the website jdk8.fe.org. I prefer this website because it doesn't, if you don't want to sign in for Oracle or you don't have an Oracle account, it's the best because you just have to click the link here. So here you'll have to see which operating system you are using. If you're using Linux with 64-bit, click this link in order to download JDK. If you're using Windows 64-bit, which is the one that I'm using, I click this link in order to download the JDK installer. I won't be clicking this link because I've already downloaded the JDK 8 installer. So after you have downloaded, just go to downloads. What I did there, press Ctrl and J. It's a shortcut to go to downloads. You can just get it here if you don't want to press Ctrl and J. Then here you'll find the JDK 8 installer. Then you can click it here or choose to go to the folder and then click it there. And then after you click it, it will take you straight to the installer. Then in the installer, you just keep on pressing next. You don't need to do much. It's pretty straightforward. And then after installing the JDK 8, to be sure that it is in your laptop, go to Computer, Local Disk, Program Files, Java, and then in Java you'll find two folders, is JDK and JRE. The most important one is JDK. Actually, they are all important, but in order to compile your program, you will need the JDK. And to go to bin, scroll down, look for Java C file, Java C, or here it is, Java C. This is a very important file as you will use it in a bash file in order to compile. I won't be showing you that now. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a hello world program and how to create a bash file that you will compile that hello world program. We'll not be using IDEs yet. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and get ready for the next video.